everybody, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, today's video is what I eat when I do my no rice challenge. If you have not watched my 31 days of no rice challenge, please do. And yeah, and so a lot of you guys asked me, what did you eat? Can you share it to us? What did you do? You know, those kind of stuff. So today I'm gonna share it to you. The first week, you guys, it's very hard, as I've said. My only food that I eat is eggs. I felt like our prime food is eggs, because you know, you can do a lot of eggs. Scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. You can do a egg muffin. We boiled like 6 or 8 eggs, and then I can eat 3. I bring a lot of them at work. So eggs is your best friend when you do a no rice challenge. So next I'm gonna show it to you guys is mozzarella cheese. I can say that name right. Mozzarella, whatever. Anyways, this one, you guys. So I don't eat this just by itself, okay? I made a keto naan, you know, like the naan, right? I make bagels from this, you know. I made a lot of things from this cheese. And then you guys, and if you're just starting and you're trying not to eat a lot of carbs, and when you think about it, you guys, it's really hard. Another food that you can get with very low carb is this one right here. This is a Mission. If you watch my vlog, I've been hoarding this Mission, and if you can see, this is a 6-gram carbs, and they have a 4 grams carb, which is smaller than this one. So my husband loves Mexican food, and you guys, I need to cook. You can do like fajita, you can do quesadilla, you know, like you put a top like cheese. You can do egg burrito, you know, you can do chicken and egg burrito. And one thing, you guys, that you can do, you can also use mozzarella cheese when you want pizza. So yeah, and the biggest replacement of my rice is my cauliflower rice. Hi. Okay, so when we bought this, I don't like the taste of it because there's no way it tastes like rice. This is the biggest help for my no rice challenge, and until today, you guys, I did not eat rice. I just don't like going back to it because I feel good already and I don't want to go back of doing that. So I was like, what's the point? And you guys, I'm gonna show you my refrigerator. I haul for my cauliflower rice. Look at this. I got this. This is a mashed cauliflower. Oh my god. And another one, this one right here, this is another brand. This is a rice veggies cauliflower risotto. Look at this one. This one, you can cook this to your microwave. It's easy, and no rice, gluten-free. It's only 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of sugar. This one right here. This is, I got me another one. This is a rice veggies. It's a cauliflower and broccoli. I have not tried this one, so I'm looking forward to try this one. And you guys, as I've said, I bought me a lot of cauliflower rice, and I did not buy any of the rice. If you do not like cauliflower, I don't know what to say, okay? So this is the bag. I am going to cook this today. I'm going to show you how. I also bought an eggplant. So the eggplant, I can boil this and then make like salad, or I can fry this just like a fried talong, ganon. I fried this eggplant with avocado oil because avocado is really rich in fat. So speaking of avocado, you guys, I got me some avocados. You can make guacamole, or you know, like in Philippines, we eat avocado and put a little bit of sugar. But since I can't have sugar, you guys, I'm gonna show you what I put in this. You know, like, I don't know if you do that in your place, or maybe not. When I was in Philippines, you guys, like, you know, your neighbor has avocado tree, and then they give you some, and then you put sugar, and then just like, you know, mash them, and voila, bam. Since you can't have sugar, I'm gonna show you what I use. This one right here, Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, the classic one. This one, you guys, we got this at Costco. I really like this one. It tastes like sugar, but it's not sugar, okay? I like nibbling, I like snacks, so I'm gonna show you what I eat. This one, you guys, this is a Catalina Crunch. This is 0 sugar, 10 grams of protein, and 6 grams of fiber. And this is a keto cereal. They have different flavors. They have chocolates, they have waffle, and you guys, I even take this to work for my snacks. If you like cereal, you might like this one, but at first you're gonna like, this doesn't taste like cereal really. Once you get used to it, it's a lot easier. Now for me, I eat this just like snackings, and I eat this in the morning and then put a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. So yeah, another snacks that I eat, you guys, is a string mozzarella cheese. It's a lot of cheese, you guys. So if you are lactose intolerant, or maybe you're allergic to dairy, this might not be for you, like I'm saying. So yeah, I eat this every day. I'm saying, what else? When you buy cauliflower rice, it needs to be frozen. I already thawed this last night, so it's ready to cook. Now what I'm gonna do is cook this one, because I'm gonna have a baon. I'm taking this to juicy crab, because we're eating juicy crab today. So I'm gonna bring my own rice, because I don't want to eat rice. Rice is very heavy. I work really hard, and I'm not gonna break that, because I made it through to 31 days, and I might as well go, you know, go ahead and do it. I'm saying. So now I'm gonna cook garlic rice. Since we're eating garlic rice, we have minced garlic and garlic powder. I use this a lot. You see this? It's almost empty. I've been using this a lot, like crazy. Riced cauliflower, because as I've said, I don't like eating cauliflower rice by itself. I don't like it. Let's do it. I cook a big bag of cauliflower rice, because I don't want to cook them every day. I just like, especially if I go to work, that's my baon, that's what I take to work, and then separate it. It's just like it's like, what do you call this, prepping my food, and put like a hard-boiled eggs on it, fried eggs on it, and yeah, it's a lot of eggs eating, just so you know. For my protein, I love steak, chicken, and shrimp when you do this kind of thing. So let me just cook, and yeah. Fried rice and sunny side up egg. Bon appetit. This is my baon. Okay, anyways guys, that's it for this video. That's what I eat. That's my replacement of my rice. And you guys, if you want to do this thing, bear in mind, you need to cook, you need to think what you're gonna eat. But once you started this, everything is a lot easier, okay? Because I know rice is life, rice is very hard to let go, but once you let go with it, mag-move on ka rin, makaka-move on ka rin talaga. So, yeah, anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful to you guys. Maybe inspire you a little bit. Like I'm saying, one thing for sure, it's gonna be a lot of cooking. So, if you love to cook, this is gonna be your thing. Anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video. And if you do like this video, please show me some love, give me some like. Do not forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? Like I'm saying. And yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. And please do not forget to watch my 4 weeks of no rice challenge. Yes, bye y'all.
I just wanna dance. I just wanna